To create a chart for data on the wall. Let's suppose that you have essays and they're scored on a rubric from 1 to 4, or a science project or anything else. And during the month of September you have 12 students who score 1, 9 who score a 2, 2 who score a 3, and 1 who score a 4. Let's quickly chart this so that you and the students can have a visual representation of the data. Simply highlight the data and hit the F11 key, and you'll have an instant chart. Notice the Chart tab shows up down here. Now on this tab, the Design tab, the Layout tab, and the Format tab, you have lots of different options that you'll want to go through one by one. One of the options that you might want to do, not on this data, but you can switch columns. You can change some different layout styles here simply by clicking on these. And you can choose a different design. Under the Layout tab, one of the things I always like to do is have my data labels so that I can see the exact number that the bar represents. I can add a title to my axes and also to my chart. And I can highlight that and change it to whatever I want. Say scores. And on and on. So you want to check each one of these items under these last 3 tabs. Now let's say that this is just September scores and you want to add October's. You want to go back to your sheet that contains your data, and you can fill in the data for the new essays. I hope they improve a little bit. And again, you can highlight the data and hit the F11 key to bring up a chart which would have your 2 different series. Notice that the switch row and column in this time would apply. Now it's by month. When you switch it back, now it's by score, 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can go through all 3 of these tabs and do the same type of thing to format your chart the way that you like it. Hope that helps you create charts using Excel.